This is why I recommend the Van Wyn Pro T7 pickleball paddle. It is PB Core 43 approved, which means it has the maximum amount of pop you can have. Feels great in the hand, 16 millimeter elongated paddle. It looks very striking as well. I really like the logos that it's got on the edges. People are impressed with the orange color, and they really like the white handle. I like the white handle. It's a nice contrast to the black paddle face. This paddle also has a decent amount of grit, so you do get a good spin. I would give it like a 7 out of 10 on the spin scale, but the pop is a 10 out of 10. The control, I'd say, is about a 9 out of 10. So this paddle is great if you're an overhand smacker, or if you just want some more power on your shots and you don't have a lot already. You can easily send the ball to different parts of the court that you want to with more power and get it past your opponents. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this thing performs with this net right here. So you can get a feel for how this thing sounds. As you can see, I'm able to get the ball right over the net. So overall, I highly recommend this Van Wyn Pro T7 pickleball paddle. Thanks for watching.